Welcome back. This is the first video that has come from Kashmir, Srinagar. There's one thing that you must have noticed, that life of Srinagar is incomplete without the chiseled wood or wood any other shape. It has become such an integral part of Kashmir today that the moment you mention Kashmir, the first thing that comes to your mind is wood. So I am taking you to one of the most important stores. Let's begin the video. I think this is one of the most beautiful places that I have ever been in Srinagar. मुदस्सिर भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देखिए मेरा जो जो वास्ता है बहुत पुराना है श्रीनगर से, और हम मेरे ख्याल से हर साल आते हैं, और 5-6 साल से मेरा आना जाना रहा। और मीना बाज़ार से हम यूँ ही निकल जाते थे। हमको लगता था कि यहाँ कारपेट मिलते हैं या फिर ड्रेस मटेरियल मिलता है। माइक नहीं है मेरे पास, तो जो आप बोलेंगे मैं रिपीट करता जाऊँगा। और ये हमको मतलब मेरे को एक बड़ा ना अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके। अभी मैं सोच रहा था यहाँ से जाते हुए कि ये इंडिया का वेनिस है। पता नहीं शायद ये टर्म किसी ने कभी पहले यूज़ किया कि नहीं। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मतलब इंडिया के वेनिस में है हम इस वक्त। और जो आपका जो शॉप है आउटस्टैंडिंगली डिफरेंट है। आई थिंक इसको ना प्रॉपर प्रोजेक्शन की ज़रूरत है। दिस कैन नॉट बी इन मीना बाज़ार। ऑफकोर्स बीइंग इन मीना बाज़ार इज़ नॉट अ बैड आइडिया, बट आई थिंक इट नीड्स अ बिगर प्लेटफॉर्म, इट नीड्स अ बिगर अटेंशन. It needs a wider viewers or wider approach towards promotion and planning. So I decided to shoot with you. So I'll ask you very basic questions. First is your name is Mudassar, as you said. You are the 4th generation into this wood crafting. Okay. What kind of wood that we use for crafting?
This is the walnut wood, sir.
Walnut wood. Okay. Walnut wood is procured in Srinagar or Jammu Kashmir only. Not anywhere in the country.
No. In India, only in Jammu and Kashmir.
All right, great. Why walnut? Why not any other walnut? Because of the availability
Because
in the geographically?
This is the best wood for the carving.
For carving?
Yeah.
Okay, they say the teak wood is also very good for carving.
The teak wood is more hard. This
Okay.
is the soft wood.
This is the
But
softest
the
wood.
durability is everlasting. This is going generation to generation.
All right.
There is no threat of woodworms. nothing.
Okay. So everybody says that Mudassar bhai ki the wood goes through a process. Wood goes through the highs and lows. The contraction and suspensions. It suffers with weather. When it is extreme hot and when it is extreme cold, it shows its own colors. So does walnut color or walnut wood also show?
Because this is the complete seasonal wood.
Properly
This is not-
seasonal wood.
This is not unseasonal wood. This is the seasonal wood.
Okay.
We use for because we mostly export these things.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So once the wood is seasoned, then you decide to make the
This is
things with this.
everlast. What I told you before, this is the everlast. This is going generation to generation.
Chaliye. We'll take a small tour with you, and we'll try to understand the thought process, the mindset, and what all you have, and generally what are the functionalities. Of course, most of them are the decor pieces. Some of the furniture units are also there. Like for example, if I see
This one is the study tables.
okay, we'll see it from your perspective, whichever you believe is the hottest selling or the most loved by people.
This is the study tables.
Oh, I just loved it.
See the quality of wood. See
It's
the
a finish. So there's a kind of lacquer. Have you done any kind of lacquer polish?
We use the stone polish. This is called
Which
the
polish?
agate stone polish.
A stone polish.
Yeah. Of
Okay.
the stone polish, we use the wax. Just
All right.
Wax. Plain
Okay.
wax. Beeswax.
All right. So it does not catch any kind of stain, and it does not. It's resistant to the heat. Heat
yeah.
also. Okay. And
See the fittings. We didn't use the channel.
acha.
This is complete.
Oh, generally people are using quadros and other electronic channels.
See
Oh,
the fitting and finishing.
superb. Very nice. Generally.
And we don't use the nails. There is the ductile joint.
All right.
This is called the ductile joints. See, sir. You didn't find the any nail.
No. There's no nail. There's no metal. There's
And
no.
you see the quality of wood in the
This again is a wood. A lot of people use
walnut.
board.
Yeah. No.
This
Lot of use the plyboard.
Right.
But we don't use the plyboard.
Okay. Right. So 4th generations, it means you must be doing it for more than 80, 40, 80, 90 years, right?
More than
100 years. Okay. How long does it take to finish this product?
about 3.5 months.
3.5 months when one individual is involved.
Yeah, one.
Okay. So we'll see from your perspective what else we have.
See, this is the chest of drawers.
Okay, you're focusing on furniture.
Because the space is not. I can't show you everything.
Oh, there's a trunk, huh?
This is the trunk type. This is called the blanket box or
Okay.
cube box.
Oh, this can be used as a center table.
Yeah. And this is the center table. See this craftsman. See the intricate work.
My God.
See.
This is handmade?
Yeah, this is pure handmade.
Oh my God. This is such an amazing thing. This looks like as if it is made with mold.
No. We use the cheese for carving.
Very nice.
First, we use the freehand design by the pencil. First, we put the drawing.
Right.
Then, according to drawings, we move the cheese.
Then you chisel the wood.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't
Very
find this
nice.
intricate work anywhere in the world.
Not at all, not at all. Trust me, my parents are there in the Shikara, but I can spend whole my day here.
Saharanpur
Very
is
good.
also the market for wood, but you can't find this intricate work here.
All right, you said it. I did not mention Saharanpur because I have been saying this and people troll me for this. But Saharanpur, I think, is getting little out of trend, and because they are not making what people want today.
They use the CNC for the work.
Other they use CNC, and besides the carving is also very thick and not very intricate. Okay.
No. The thick carving they use the cheeses for that.
All right. We are not talking about price, but specifically this particular table. How much does it cost? Usually
85.
85,000. All right. So all of them, the export items, wherever you want, I'll pull over. I'll stop. This is a chest of drawer. Then there are a lot of animal figures, and these are the serving trays.
Yeah, these are the serving trays.
Oh, I just loved this one. It's so
This is
nice.
just a single piece of wood. There is no joints.
Okay. And I loved this. This is so beautiful. Very nice. How much is this for?
This one?
Yeah?
This 15 kg.
15,000. Okay.
You see
Very nice.
This is just single piece of wood.
Right. And how much is this for? This particular tray?
Which one, sir?
This one, the round one?
That one?
Yep.
9,000.
Okay. Done.
This one is 4,500.
Okay. Done. Now, there are some bowls, there are mugs, there are trays.
See, this is the serving tray. This is for serving some sweets, cookies, chocolates, muffins.
Oh, I like that. Okay.
And when
It's a
not in
foldable.
use- when not in use, you can use it as decoration piece.
Right. Very nice. Very nice. And I like this one. And what is this? I mean, this is extremely overwhelming. What is this?
See, this is the first craftsman.
Superb.
This is just this box. See how beautiful box.
Superb. Very nice.
See the quality of wood. See the drawings. See the
This is
fitting
actually, when you talk about the functionality, this is, I think, is supposed to be kept on the console or something.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. And this can be used as a decorative piece.
Yeah. Foreigners use it as swing box.
As a
Swing box.
swing box.
Yeah.
A lovely piece. Very nice. I know for a lot of people it's going to be a little difficult to clean,
Yeah.
but it's not. It's just normal dusting and you're done and sorted. Right?
Yes.
Okay. A lot of bowls. We'll go a little further. Look at this. Beautiful carving work done. This is for the people those who like plain things.
This is the dining table.
Okay. You want me to faint, I guess. Huh? Okay. You shocked me with this. This is called carving. This is called carving. This is called work, man. This is called workmanship.
This is called the
Superb.
3D work, sir.
Superb. And there's a protrusion. There are highs and lows. There are ups and downs. This is not uneven. It's not even flat. I mean, you can see there are some high ups and downs. Very nice.
No, this level is down.
No, what I'm saying is basically in the carving.
Yeah.
You see
That's why I
the
call
high
it-
and
it's
the
called-
low.
It's called the 3D work.
Yeah, this has got
3D
waves.
3D work.
Okay,
will show
very
you.
nice. I mean, generally you put a glass on this.
Yeah. It has got already the glass fittable top. Just
Right.
You have to bring the glass and put on the table.
Okay, done. How much is this for? I know it's going to be expensive.
450K.
All right, 450K. So approximately. Oh,
Caesar.
so, oops.
Caesar.
Wow, this reminds me of Vietnam's carving work. I mean, of course, we are not less than them. Look at this one. Have you seen Vietnam carving? They do. Okay, you have not seen that. These are the boxes.
Caesar, how beautiful box.
So nice. Very, very good. I think this needs some right light on this. As in, it should be promoted. It is completely in the oblivion, right? So in the oblivion, as in it is totally unknown to people. Amazing. How much does it cost approximately one
This
single
one
box?
15K. sir.
Okay. All right.
Boxes starting from 2,500.
Okay. Done. So these are the boxes. Then you have got these are basically bangle boxes, I guess.
No, these are the
Tissue
ornamental
boxes, ornamental boxes. Okay.
This is the tissue box.
Which one?
This is the tissue box.
Okay. Right. Okay. So we'll deviate a little bit because there's one bed. There's four poster bed.
Poster bed.
Okay. Done. So this is all for this side. From this side, we'll go. There are some chairs,
This dining table is made of single piece of wood.
single piece. But how can it be such a large size log?
Big trunk.
Big trunk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big wooden trunk. Actually, this tree must be 150 years old.
Okay.
When that tree stops giving the walnuts, then the government is permitting us to cut down that tree.
Okay.
Then after complete seasoning, we make the furniture from that wood.
All right. I can see some chairs as well that side. You have walnut chairs as well.
See, this is the sofa. This is the walnut chair for dining.
Uh-huh.
This is the sofa. This is the chair, king chair.
Uh-huh.
See.
All
There's
right.
one sofa also with complete cover and everything.
All right. I just want to ask you one thing. Mudassir bhai, I just wanted to ask you, since the mass production has gone so high in our country, everything is machine made and people are extremely dependent on technology and machine. So apparently, unfortunately, the workmanship, the handicraft work has taken a back seat. Do you agree? I mean, how do you see it happening? Because
I
Lafos,
agree with that because there are some people who still love the handmade things, who know the worth of these
all right.
handmade things,
Okay.
handcrafted things. Now, since from last 1 decade,
Okay.
we have very good demand in the domestic market
All right.
from South India, from Eastern India, North India,
Right.
all over India.
Okay. So I'm very happy. I'm so glad to hear that. That's very, very optimistic reply that you have given. And I'm very happy because I personally wanted this to actually come to the right light or to the right place. And you said there are people showing interest, and that's the best part. So there are temples, there are chests of drawers, there are trunks. Oh, I just love this. This one is handmade?
Yes, this is handmade.
Don't tell me.
No, this is handmade. This is 100% handmade. You will get guarantee. You will get
No, I am sure, but you shocked me. You actually
You see
rocked
the
me off my.
workmanship, sir.
You look at this. How can somebody make this with hand? Is it possible? Is it possible to make this? Freak. Unbelievable. Every single flower of the same size has got 4 petals, has got proper muckle, we call it as the kind of, in the center, and so perfectly made. Very nice. Very nice. How much is this for?
This one?
This will cost fortune. 250,000. Okay. Very nice. I'm so glad that I met you, and I'm so glad that's Amir Bhai, who was the Shikara gentleman. He took us around and he was showing me around. He said, "You want to see something?" And I saw his shop. I pulled over. Thank you very much. And I request all the Clapter family members watching this video, please come here. If they cannot come here, they can get in touch with you. If they can't buy it, at least they can appreciate it by giving a like button, and also they can call you and say that it's a good job that you have done. So how many people are working in your factory? 35 people working. And do you have any store outside Srinagar?
We have the main factory outside, on the roadside, because it's very difficult to bring the raw material over here.
All right. Okay, great. ठीक है सर. Thank you very much. Nice meeting you, and I'm so happy. जब भी मैं आऊँगा श्रीनगर, I'll definitely come here. Right? Thank you very much. Thank you.